Smart Extrude version 3.2 is now released. If you don't know what Smart Extrude is, please check this video first. In version 3.2, an end panel has been added to control Smart Extrude, allowing you to quickly change its behavior or display settings. The end panel is also linked with the add-on menu. Extrude along normal in edge mode is one of the most important features in modeling. Now, Smart Extrude has three different modes in edge mode: Smart Extrude along normal, and Extrude along normal. The key difference between Smart Extrude and regular extrude is that regular extrusion is not affected by any settings and does not perform splitting. In contrast, Smart Extrude enables fast face splitting and merging. You can adjust the behavior logic directly in the end panel. By default, Smart Extrude operates in axis mode. However, when using Extrude along normal, you can press the Tab key to change the extrusion direction. In previous versions, Smart Extrude could not be used on planes. This feature is now officially supported, but please note that the original plane will not disappear. Additionally, Axis mode has received a major update. You can now perform any modifications, such as scaling and rotation, while holding the extrusion by pressing Shift plus Enter. After you finish the modification, press the left click to complete. Remember to press Shift plus Enter to hold on the extruding. Left click will end the Smart Extrude. Non-manifold extrude quality has been improved. Auto snap snaps better now. Also, auto snap only snap an own object.